All right, welcome to the solution video for our hierarchy assignment. And as a reminder, our objective was to create a date hierarchy containing 4 fields: start of year, start of month, start of week, and date, and then add that to a matrix visual to practice drilling up and down to different levels of granularity. So here's a little preview of what that should look like. Let's jump into our VentureWorks report and see if we can build this thing. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and create this hierarchy from the model view. Again, you can do it from either of the other views as well. But the key here is to drill into our calendar lookup table. Remember, the highest level of this particular hierarchy was start of year. So I'm going to start there, right click, create the hierarchy. And we're going to go ahead and double click to name it date hierarchy. That looks good. Let's expand, and we can see it contains just that start of year field so far. Next up, we need to add start of month. I'm going to use the click and drag approach because it's easiest. There we go. Start of week was our third level of granularity. And then our fourth and final was the date field, which is our primary key right up here. And that looks good. So we've got all 4 fields in the right order: start of year, month, week, and date. Last step was to jump into the report view. Let's update this matrix. We're going to pull out our territory hierarchy. We're going to add this new date hierarchy from our calendar lookup that we just created. And it's going to start at start of year, which is the highest level. And we can go ahead and practice drilling down to month, to week, to date. That looks great. We can drill back up. We can use the expand option to view it all nested in one place. But there you have it. Simple as that. We just added a brand new date hierarchy that we're going to be able to use for our time series analysis later in the course.